This is Mike with Bill Brothers. We're at 3747 Vista Campana North, number 36, in Oceanside, doing a roof inspection on a flat torch down roof, or modified bitumen. Really, the nickname is torch down. First thing we notice is general condition. There's quite a bit of ponding up there. You can see all this granules. There's piled up in areas, and we'll take a look at all of them. The other thing we look for is bleed out. Bleed out is when they melt this. We're looking for that little black line, how good of a job they did along there, and also along the metal on the drip edge, because that's an area that can pull up and weaken over time. All the pipe vents are coated in mastic. You can kind of see along here. They do have PV solar up here, so you've got PV solar. Let's see, you've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15 panel system. You can see areas of discolor. This is where you're getting a lot of ponding, where the water is sitting in a low slope. Same on the garage. Garage actually has had some repairs. That line right there and that line right there, so they've come out and put a bunch of roofing material on it to make, obviously it had some issues with the roof. It does have a gutter on the garage side. Got a lot of ponding over here. You can kind of see this low slope area, so it's pooling right here on these big storms. So you get all the granules that kind of pile up. Somebody's done some caulking in there too with that white all along the edge here. Again, see all these areas, ponding. Flat roofs are it's just kind of the nature of them. And you can see over here there's quite a bit. Looks like there's been a lot of repair work over here. All these big tar these pieces. It looks like they've come out here and redid a lot right here, all through here. On the edge right there, they kind of covered it, so I'm thinking there could have been definitely some leaks going on. This is a pretty heavy ponding area, it looks like. You can kind of see it through here. You've got the pipe vents, all this area, got all this granules, heavy over here, and in this spot right here, you're getting a lot of buildup. Looks like they tried to repair something here. This looks like a repair as well. So I don't know the age of the roof. We're gonna see if we can find out. A lot of times when they're putting solar on, they'll do the roof at the same time, but there's quite a bit going on. I would say the bleed out in some places looks okay, but then you've got these areas where they've really done some patchwork, all this, so obviously they had some issues with it. There is a skylight up on the roof as well, like an older skylight. The dome itself looks to be okay. They've run the torch up under there, which is normal. And they've had looks like they did a big patch right here too. You see all this little square right here. The mounts, we use these mounts too on flat roofs. Again, you know, these are flashed and caulking, so they should be in okay shape. We'll go down and take a look at the panel, see if we see anything with the solar. But give our recommendations to the owner.